Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I thought I'd just pop on here and show you a product that was sent to me to give it a try, and I have really enjoyed it. Now y'all know I love my kitchen doodads, and this little doodad has just been wonderful. This is the original FlairosolOlivia spray bottle. Comes in just the cutest little bottle. You see that? It's got like a little gold leaf on it. Just as cute as it can be. Just a real simple design. It comes with this little latch here. You can just pull it out to store it so it doesn't spray out. Keeps it nice and fresh, your oil. Got me some olive oil in here. It's got a little filter in here so it doesn't get clogged. And ain't that just adorable? The best part is if you're watching your weight, count them calories, honey. This releases 1 gram of spray for each spray. You can do little spritz, you can just do a little continuous spray, and I'm telling you, I waste so much sometimes with just dumping stuff in, trying to move it all around. So I want you to look at this, y'all. Check it out. I'm gonna give it a little spray here. Look at the just continuous spray. So you're not wasting money, honey. Save yourself some dollars in this olive oil, because we all know that's expensive. But so thank you to Flairosol for sending me this product to try. I have just absolutely loved it, and thank you for supporting our little channel and for thinking of us. We will drop a link in our description with a little discount code. If you want to get this little bottle, you can save 10% and get one for yourself.